Are window films compatible with dual pane windows? What about low E or low emissivity coatings on dual pane windows? There's no way I can fit this into 2 minutes, but I'm Brad with Campbell Window Film, and welcome to today's episode of 2 Minutes on Film. First things first, there are single pane, dual pane, and even triple pane windows out there. What that means is a single pane window is just a monolithic piece of glass with outdoor air here and indoor air here. That's it. There's just one piece of glass. A dual pane window is a piece of glass on the outside and a piece of glass on the inside, and they're about an inch or a half inch apart, and they're sealed around the edge, and there's argon or krypton gas in many cases that's pumped in there to keep moisture out. Okay, that does a lot of good things for insulating your home. It also helps keep noise out. And most windows today by code have to be dual pane. So if you have a newer home, let's say 2000 or newer, it's highly likely that you'll have dual pane windows. It's also highly likely that you may have a low E or low emissivity coating that's added to one of those surfaces of glass, and that's going to help insulate the window. You can still apply window film to increase the performance of these windows, but it's very important that your vendor that you hire, your window film vendor, understands the difference between the surfaces that the coating should be applied to or is applied to. And also you would want to make sure that the film is compatible with those types of glass and those types of coatings. Almost all the manufacturers, including the manufacturer that Campbell is partnered with, 3M, has warranties that will cover the glass and the window film replacement should you ever break a window, or should a window ever break. It's extremely rare that a window will ever break as a result of applying the correct window film in the correct conditions. My company installs hundreds of thousands of square feet of window film every year, and I don't think we had any glass breakage claims last year at all. Occasionally, a window will break. It's usually because there's an inclusion on the side of the glass or something that's in the glass that's already sort of a ticking time bomb. But it is extremely rare. And I've seen videos out there, and I've heard people in the glass industry talk about window film. It's gonna break your windows, or it's gonna build up a lot of heat between the panes of glass. If you're applying the wrong film, if you take a limousine automotive style tint and put it on a dual pane window, well, that's just silly. Your vendor should know the difference between a dual pane safe film and a non-dual pane safe film. He should also have metering that he uses on the glass to see which surface that low E coating is on, because it could be on the number 2, 3, or even 4 surface of a dual pane window. Triple pane windows, my company does not install window film on triple pane windows, but the good news, if you're here in the United States, you probably do not have triple pane windows. They're very rare here in the States. Let's talk about the warranty. There are warranties in place from major manufacturers that will cover the glass and the seal, as well as the replacement value of the glass and the reinstallation of window film. I've got them for residential and for commercial buildings. Your window film vendor should be able to give you a lot of information about the type of film, how safe it is for dual pane, whether or not you have low E coatings on, and on which surface that coating exists on, and what the warranty is for that window. So if you're considering purchasing window film for your home because you have too much heat, or you're concerned about fading, or you've got a lot of glare because you have a lot of glass and you feel like you need to wear your sunglasses inside the home, you do not need to shy away from window film, because it might just be one of the best solutions you could possibly have. You don't have to block off your view during the day. Window films are virtually invisible, and they do an amazing job of increasing the performance. In 2018, we've got really advanced coatings. So window films have made huge leaps forward, and I've seen some old videos out there from 2013 where they're talking about heat building up in between the panels of glass and a lot of other things that are really something that we don't have to worry about anymore. So my recommendation to you, if you're looking to have your windows tinted but you're concerned about dual pane, or whether or not you have low E coatings and on which surface they are, and if it's safe for your glass or not, reach out to a well-known, reputable window film contractor and make sure that they are working with, and they probably will if they're very well established, they'll be working with one of the major manufacturers of window film. The combination of a very good manufacturer that's going to back the warranty and a contractor that really knows what he's talking about that's a good combination. I'm Brad with Campbell Window Film, and this has been probably a lot more than 2 minutes on film. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and of course, comments are welcome. See you next time.